Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Let me pull my signage in. Anyway, welcome back to my channel, and we are doing an unboxing of a craft kit that was put together by Carmen Q Crafts here on YouTube, and she's also on Instagram. I will leave her her links in the description box down below. I'm kind of excited. This is a Hello Kitty vanity kit. So let me just pull some stuff out and then we could go over what was included in the kit. Now remember, it's Hello Kitty, and some of the ladies and I who've done one of her classes before, we kind of forced her. We twisted her arm to do a kit for us because we love her kit. And with her kit includes a class, and that's with Carmen showing us how to put things together and how to, start the kit so that things get to dry while you're working on something else, and then you can assemble the rest of the pieces together. So here are the boxes. Oh wow, Carmen, these are beautiful, sturdy boxes. I love it. So she used these boxes to create our base for the vanity. Oh wow, that is awesome. This is way sturdier than what I was imagining. So you get 2 of the boxes. I was checking if there's, and there's items in this one. Wanted to make sure I got everything out. And this one comes with the lighting. How cute to light up this vanity. So hopefully I can get this assembled with her class, because this thing is gorgeous. She also included a stretch canvas, and this is a 8x10. Nice. This is at Dollar Tree, guys. So you get 1 stretched canvas, and I'm thinking this is the mirror. Let me grab some scissors. Yes, so she included the base, the mirror, the lights for your light up vanity. Oh my gosh. I did a sweet treats class with her, and that's where it was like last year we did it, and it was so much fun. So much fun. Although I got my timing off. I was off by a little bit, but I got there just in time to put everything together. So it was awesome. So you get the 2 drawer systems, and this becomes your base, and I believe this is the backing. Let me just go this way. That's why you need the class, guys. The class is very helpful. So I believe this is going to be our backing to put our mirror. Yeah, and then you can build around it. Whoops, I hit the phone. And then you can build around it with your lights and all the cabochons. I want to show those with you. Share those with you. Look at this light, guys. This is awesome. And I believe you pull this tab, and oh, look at how pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh. Her kits, I believe she has a Valentine kit out right now. So if I were you, if you're interested in doing those craft alongs, where you're virtual, you don't have to go to the person who's teaching the class. You just get on their link, and you're able to do the class in the comfort of your own home, which I love, 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 because then you can, get really comfortable. How cute. I love how she packaged it. It's all nice and safe. You get one of the glass jars, and then another one with the cap. And this is all to embellish your vanity. So it's going to be super cute. And then look at this one. This is so cute. Oh, and it opens. How cool. Oh yeah, so the class is going to tell you what everything is for. This one says sauce. Sauce. And then the last little jar. Oh yeah, you get a shorter one. So you get a tall, a short, and then you also get the one with the screw cap, and then this little sauce jar. That's cute, Carmen. Oh my gosh. So when she did finally get one together to create a sample for us, We saw it and we were like, oh yeah, definitely. So we definitely jumped on that magic bus. Like, yes, please. And I love your bag. Oh, little twin stars. Jenny, where are you? So you get the bottle. Is it a bottle glass? No, it's like a little plate. And it says, can I have a bite? It's definitely a plate. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Look at my melody. Oh my gosh, what does that say? Can I have a bite? Ooh, girl. Hello Kitty donut. Oh God, Batmatsu, something like that. Kuromi? I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. Kuromi, I'm trying to name all the characters. I love Hello Kitty and all the characters. I just don't remember all the names. Look at this cute little camera. Oh my God. This is my favorite. My all-time favorite. Here you go. These little macaron Hello Kitty sponges, whatever it is. It's adorable. Look at the detail. The little icing detail around the edging. How cute. How cute. And then you have the little Pachaco little snack bag. How cute. This is adorable. Yes. My melody. Here's a little Hello Kitty plate. Oh my gosh. I love this. Hello Kitty ice cream. Oh my goodness. Hello Kitty chip bag. Oh, love it. I love that there's purple here. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so whoops. Those are the flat back cabochons that's in the kit. She also included a great amount of glitter. We're going to be using that. And there's also a great amount of these foam ballies. I love the colors. Purple, pink, and yellow. That is adorable. And then we have, I think she made these because I do recall her saying she wants to get some molds to make them little, oh yeah, air dry clay. Yes, baby. Look at these Hello Kitties. Look at her face. Oh my God. I can't. Oh, I can't. I think they're adorable. And these are going to go around the vanity. And so that is a beautiful one. And I didn't even show you the bag. This is a My Melody baggie. Cute girl. I'm loving it. So that's what we have so far. And she also included some flowers for our vanity. How beautiful. Beautiful. And a part of this class, you're going to learn how to use, or if you already know how to use, spackling to create the cake, what is it called? Texture, icing texture. But look at her flowers that she included. Oh, how pretty. And there's even rolled flowers. And, oh, yes. Let me just empty it all out. Oh, wow. This is a lot. She has the Hello Kitty bow. I believe these are from Ebbs that she included from the kit. And then there's this cute little resin bow that Carmen loves making resins, you guys. You guys gonna check her out. She has a sale coming up soon. Oh my gosh. Beautiful girl. I am loving all the flowers. Definitely would love some of this in my stash. Look at those with all the stamen. Beautiful. And then some more of the rolled flowers. How cute. Yes, please. Beautiful. There's a lot of flowers included in this kit. So gorgeous. And she is not against you using stuff from your stash too. So you can embellish this project as far as you want. Take it as far as you want. But she really includes a whole lot for her kits, including the class, the online class. Look at this bag. Kuromi. Oh my gosh, I love it. Keeping you. And then here's some trims from Eb's shop, Ebony, who is the crafty girl on Instagram. She just recently opened up an Instagram shop, and it's the Rosette Guru. I can't say that word. Oh my goodness. And this has some heart beads. How pretty are those? Yes, please. And also some shaker bits, and it has the Hello Kitty bow in there. Oh my goodness. The red, the white, oh, and the pink even. Oh my gosh. And then you've got all that glitter in there and the touch of black. How perfect. And you also have a little clay kitty piece right there. How cute. Oh my goodness. And then she also included some trim, and I have some of this trim. Yes. I already have some from when Ebony sent me some Hello Kitty goodies. Oh my goodness, I love it. She's got a donut with a bow on her donut. How cute, Ebony, this is gorgeous. Carmen, this is a beautiful kit, and I'm definitely pulling this off of this bag. It's a polka dotted bag. Look at her. Adorable. You're adorable. And I'm ridiculous. Yes, I know. So I can't wait to get started on this beautiful kit. Carmen, like I said, she's putting out a Valentine's kit already up to purchase. Guys, please, 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 if you're interested, check out Carmen Q Crafts on Instagram and direct message her. Tell her that you're interested, and she will get you, she'll send you all the important information that you need to know and set you up for your own kit. It won't be this Hello Kitty kit because this is sold out. And she told us she'll never do a Hello Kitty ever again. But Carmen, we love you. Thank you so much for doing this for us. And I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.